How to make money on Facebook. How to make money on Facebook is the question. Whether you are young, old, small business, or big business, you can find ways to make money on Facebook. It is just a question of knowing what to do to make it on Facebook. Most big businesses know that there is money to be made on Facebook. This is why they are spending millions on Facebook to promote their services and products. As a result of its advertising income, Facebook is one of the richest companies in America. You too can take your piece of the pie and make your own money. It may not make you rich, but you can make enough to supplement your income in a significant way. And with persistence, over time you can join the league of those that are doing well on Facebook. What is Facebook? For the sake of those not familiar with Facebook, I just want to provide some information on it. Facebook is the largest social networking site in the world in terms of its audience and revenue. It helps families and friends to connect through chat, pictures, stories, videos, and other ways. Facebook was founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg while he was at Harvard University. It initially started off as a social network for college students. And it is now used by billions of people, young and old. Its headquarters is in Menlo Park, California. The company is listed on the NASDAQ and its stock price on 19th of December 2019 was $206. Can I earn money from Facebook? Of course, you can earn money from Facebook. This is why I have decided to prepare this video. I have used Facebook to drive traffic to my blogs and have made money from that traffic. This is just one way you can use to make money on Facebook. I am also told that Facebook is also looking at monetizing popular videos. In that way, you will be able to make money directly from Facebook like I and many others have done on YouTube through Google AdSense. Who can make money on Facebook? Anyone can make money on Facebook, whether as an individual or as a small or big business. You can do this through your personal page or you can create a business page. I prefer creating a separate business page, and I ask my friends and family to like my page so that they can be notified every time I post something. This used to work very well a few years ago before Facebook started focusing on sponsored posts at the expense of no sponsored posts. While the levels of traffic have dropped, you can still get enough traffic to still make money. I have a brand new blog that gets more than 50% of its traffic from Facebook. Every time I post something, I receive close to 200 visitors for a few days. I therefore have to post regularly to continue getting traffic from Facebook. What can you not sell on Facebook? There are certain restrictions on what you can sell on Facebook that you need to abide by. Failing which you can be penalized by Facebook. Prohibited items include animal for sale. You cannot sell animals on Marketplace or buy and sell Facebook groups. Healthcare, Facebook prohibits any healthcare products on Facebook or Instagram. Tobacco products and related paraphernalia. Weapons, ammunition, and explosives. Adult products. Alcohol. Gambling. Subscriptions and digital products. And alcohol. Tips on how to make money on Facebook. There are several ways to make money on Facebook. What you need is to pick the one that is appealing to you and master it first before you go on to other ways. In the next few minutes, I will provide tips and ways on how to make money on Facebook easily. 1. Create an attractive profile. If your profile looks shabby, very few people will want to engage with you and your posts. It is therefore very important that you create an attractive profile. You can do this by uploading a nice profile photo and cover image. The cover image should be an expression of your personality or business if you have opened a separate business page. A cover image should preferably show what business is about. Another thing that you need to do is to make sure that the About section is completed and should accurately describe your business. The way you set up your profile can make or break your business. 2. Let your friends know what you do. Facebook can be a nice platform to promote your business without spending any money if you have a lot of friends. You just need to post a message telling all your friends about your plumbing business or any other business you are involved in. In the message, you can ask them to refer any of their friends interested in plumbing work to you. Even better, you can ask them to share your message with all their friends. That way you will be able to create awareness of your business and over time some business too. 3. Join a relevant Facebook group or groups and share. Another way to make money through Facebook is through Facebook groups. The trick here is to join groups that are related to your niche. Once you join, you can share your expertise or knowledge in those groups, and you can include a link from your blog. The sharing of links will, however, depend on the group policies. It is therefore important that you read the rules and regulations of each group first before you start contributing. Otherwise, if you run foul of the group's rules, you could face expulsion from the group. By including links from your blog in your posts, you could get free traffic to your blog. If you join big and active groups, you can actually get thousands of visitors to your blog easily every month. You can then use your blog to promote your products or affiliate products. Even if you have no products, you can still make money from ads such as Google AdSense ads. If you join groups that do not allow links, you can still find a way by inviting people who like your posts to like your pages. Once they like your pages, then every time you post they will be alerted of it. If you have a business page, then you can join these groups as a business page to make it easier for people who like your post to go directly to your business page. As pointed out earlier, it is much better to separate your business stuff from personal stuff by creating separate pages. 4. Join sell and buy groups. If you are into selling physical products once in a while in your area, then the best groups to join are the local buy and sell groups on Facebook. I am a member of a few groups where people who want to get rid of old items can freely advertise their stuff. My wife was able to get a decent bike for our daughter when she was 3 through such groups. All you need to do is search for these groups or use the Explore menu to find such groups. There are so many buy and sell groups on Facebook, including garage sales, groups for particular kinds of goods. As indicated earlier, make sure to familiarize yourself with the group guidelines before you start participating in the groups. As long as you abide by the regulations, you will be all right and can continue to promote your products. 5. Sell on Facebook Marketplace. In 2016, Facebook introduced Facebook Marketplace as a place for people to buy and sell items locally. It is comprised of categories such as shoes, electronics, home and garden, etc. Therefore, if you have anything that you are selling, whether big or small, you can advertise it on Facebook Marketplace. Before you join, just make sure that you familiarize yourself with the policies to avoid getting banned. At the beginning of this video, I pointed out a list of some items that are specifically prohibited on Facebook. 6. Create your own Facebook group. Another way to make money from Facebook is by creating your own Facebook group. If you can manage to have as many members as possible, you can use that to drive traffic to your blogs or even promote affiliate products. Creating a Facebook group from scratch is tough, but it is worth it if you manage to have at least 1,000 members. With 2 billion active users, Facebook is a gold mine for savvy marketers. You too can advantage of this and make a few dollars from Facebook. Review the ways I have mentioned above on how to make money on Facebook and pick the one that suits you best. If you put your heart into it, you will be surprised with the results you will get. You will need a lot of patience and perseverance, as your efforts will take months to start bearing fruit. Most people fail because they give up too early. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.